pocket 80.
You want to put money on?
When you're on $100,
How much you want to bet?
$100, won't pocket 80.
I won't clock at 80.
Yeah, $100. I just saw what I just clocked at. You're not going to clock at 80.
You might as well just go give me
We got a radar gun here?
that gun's broken, man.
That gun's broken. You broke it? It doesn't do triple digits?
I don't know if you can measure behind like that.
You're just mad because I'm gonna play this shit and it's gonna hurt your feelings.
It's all right. You can try. I'm saying.
No, I probably won't even reach swing. I can't pitch.
It'd be like a solid 40.
Richie?
Yeah. Get a bat.
Get a bat?
Behind you.
I haven't
I'm
swung
not
a
asking
bat.
you to do a job either.
How much you pay for
I
it?
never needed a
No,
bat.
you need the radar gun behind either. You can't do it from behind them. What do you mean? You be sitting where Eric's.
You were a baseball player?
You're recording it, right?
It's smaller than a head, Rich. It's a little harder than a head.
Swung a bat.
24 years.
They haven't swung a bat since the '85 Super Bowl, collecting all the money. Fucking damn to the end, Jewel.
Everybody had the Pats that game, I bet, right?
What was the spread on that?
My
game?
grandmother's
14
second.
and a half or something.
Yeah, grandmother's second.
46 to 10. And they were on try to lose another one. Because I was figuring it all out. They were going to lose another one, 46 to 10.
Grandpa died, what, 4 years ago? Grandpa in Jewel, he died 4 years ago.
Brother lived right across the
He
street.
got cancer, right? Just caught it, yeah. I know grandma, she gets here.
I go by the house all the time. My friend Lois, who I could have married, used to go to the house. You know who was a big guy? The son's one guy.
Kid from Chelsea? Chelsea,
Yeah.
Boston, right?
Kenny Bear.
Yeah.
And I looked at him.
One kid with the shaved head?
No. Good guy. He was twice my size. And I used to always say, I can't prove it. I can't prove it. He said I could take him out. I said, he's big. I'll just keep hitting him. He was 250 pounds. Like someone like us. You keep hitting someone, they're going to kill him.
Oh man,
They're just going to kill him. I mean, he was bigger than you, but you take
I'd
him
be
out.
afraid of Kyokushin, that's for sure.
Oh, no. I never saw anything like that.
I'm just taking
When you're hitting knees, I know you're batting righty. Do you hit righty still?
Yeah.
Come on.
You get your shit, and you get money, get in there.
Yo, let's see what you got.
Come on, Rich.
Let's see what you got.
Just don't hurt
If you
yourself.
suck, we're going to let you know.
Hold on to the bat with 2 hands.
John, you look hungry with that bat in your hands, kid.
Alright, this drill is not about how hard you hit the ball.
Right. I'm just going to see if I can hit it.
Water in the bathroom.
It's 24 years since I put a bat on.
Fill this up if you want.
Sing.
Just jump right in there. All right.
Swinging now.
Hey, so none of you like that.
So someone's missing a very important part right now.
Now try to let it off.
Reality sinking kick.
Better.
Come in there, kid.
There you go.
Go on. Yeah. Wow. It's an angry man. Stop making fun of me.
They gun us. Is he gunning us in there?
I don't know if you can do it from behind like that. I mean, I hope not. I hope I'm not throwing 70.
That's what that said, 72?
You're not throwing 100%.
No way. I like to at least be like
You're like,
78, 80.
God, at least
high
85.
At least high 80s. From where I was sitting.
You got a couple of those.
Oh yeah, Scully just said dude, it hurt his hand, you know?
Yeah, you was fucking young.
For 70, it wouldn't hurt that bad. Can you use those from behind like that? Or
No,
you gotta be behind the catcher. Behind the catcher, right?
That's probably not calibrated.
Yeah, calibrated. Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
There's a mad shady guy named Henry from Henry's Baseball Club. He'll,
Oh, I
he'll
know
turn it
Henry.
down. He'll turn it down, and he was like, "Oh, you're only throwing like 72, 72."
To make you throw harder?
No, you turn it down like 10
he's like, I'll
miles per
teach
hour.
you to throw harder.
Yeah, on a pro hop, I was only throwing like 84. I'm like, what? I'm like, what are you talking? And he's like, no. The other kid's like, yeah, you calibrated.
Yeah, Henry's a piece of work, huh?
Henry's a loser, let me tell you. He's telling me to throw a baseball like when I pitch him, pull down the shade. That's not how you throw a baseball. A pitcher go like this, pull down the shade. You gotta throw like orbital. You gotta throw orbital around. He's like, yeah, just like pulling down the shade. Pulling down the shade. Then he makes, right, I had a bunch of this, one left over here. He's making me run with a 7-pound vest on.
What's the problem? Did he make you wear the vest?
And I'm still, it's like right in the collar, right in my chest, flip it to my chest. Hey,
I'm not afraid of the picture.
like, flip it to my chest.
Unless he's not warmed up. He's coming in high.
So I finally hit him in the ball. Done with his
You
sack.
remind me of my teammate.
He's a dick.
How many times has he called you since the last time you saw him?
Yeah, he called me 11 and
Yeah,
Charlie ever talked about it.
yeah.
bring in
It's Henry's way
Kill me.
Did you?
Yeah.
He's like, you know,
They sent
some guys, they don't want to listen. They just want to sit home and watch movies. Can't help them, you know. Hollywood's calling the name. You know? I got all these, you know, he calls like, you want to be on The Bachelor? Baseball club. He's like, Hollywood's waiting. Are you serious? Like, what is wrong with this guy? One time he called me up at like 4 in the afternoon. He's like, hey, you know what? To fix toilets by the phone. You know, you can work off that $30 from that workout I gave you.
Yeah, I had a couple buddies showed up. They better. And they filled out the waiver, and then saw what's going on. They're like, thanks. And he's like, oh, you guys both owe me $50.
You went to his house? You go over there?
Pop out the way you know.
The dying breed.
That guy is just like, I believe.
What's going on in here? Next, right?
Yeah. Yep.
Alright, Moneyball. Is this the next good moment? I like the way it looks.
Yeah.
Let's get him over to third base. I didn't want to do this. I wanted to punch it to run. I got to tell the truth.
This is batting practice. Those guys in here, you're up top, okay? I want you to hit line. Alright, help guys out. Where are you going, buddy? I got duty. Jeff's yelling.